Hey, what's up, America? Eric here with Greve Chrysler in Van Wert. So I wanted to talk to you quick about our service department. So a lot of folks will come in and they kind of don't know where to go. So what I wanted to do is just kind of help you guys out when you come in for service. If you look out here, since we acquired the new lot across the street, we do have more room on our main lot here for parking. That's for you guys' benefit.
Check this out.
So back in here behind me, you guys, if this is open, you can park in here. If you want to park up front by the building, you're more than welcome to. Even the front of the showroom is open to park. Dude! Just let your advisor know when you go into service where your car is so they can get it scanned in. And then they'll go over a couple things with you as to what you're coming in for, any recommended services that you might need, and stuff that can wait for down the road on the next visit. But like I said, guys, out here, it's free range. You guys can park where you like. Just make sure it's closer to the door, like I said, so it's easier to find for our advisors. All right, guys. So over here, if you guys come in on the west side entrance where it says parts, that'll lead you straight into our service area. You'll walk right through the service lounge, right in to see Kevin or Lisa. Give them your keys and they'll be able to get you helped out, take you along for the rest of the way. So here we are inside the service department. This is where all the magic happens. When you come in and bring your vehicle to us, these highly trained technicians are gonna go through it. We do a 27-point inspection on all the vehicles. While you guys are sitting in the lounge waiting comfortably, enjoying the free Wi-Fi, refreshments, and TV that's for you, these guys are checking over your vehicle, mainly just to see if there's any kind of safety things going on with it that needs to be brought to your attention, and also any kind of recommended maintenance that may be due on it. So just kind of peace of mind for you guys while you're out there driving. But yeah, like I said, this is where all it goes down, so enjoy. All right, guys, so we're back outside here once again. So hopefully the little video kind of helps you guys understand what it is we do here, where it is you got to go for when you come in for service. If you have any questions, need any help, we're always here for you. My office is up front, just like any of the other sales guys. But like I said, once your car is done, it should be parked out front, backed in, ready for you to get in it and be on your way. I do know in the next coming months we are going to start construction, so our dealership is going to get a pretty much a brand new facelift remodel. So bear with us in the meantime. Once the construction starts, we'll kind of know more of how things are going to go. But hopefully this helps you guys out, gives you a little peace of mind, and let you know what we're all about here at Greve's. Thanks again.